Hands on an amazing program that really has solved consistent characters for me. I want to run through this a little bit just so you can see how consistent these characters are, and just amazing. Now this is on the new Midjourney. It also shows you how to do this on the old Midjourney. So, whoops. There you go. So there you go. We are locking in the style here and putting her in different scenes. And you can see how consistent this is. So change her clothes, put her in different scenes. You've got this nailed. And then also they go into storybook characters as well. So that's why I'm recommending this. This is from my friend Deb Drum, who I totally trust. She always puts out really great quality products, and this is the answer. And like I said, this is on the new Midjourney Alpha, but he also shows you how to do it on the regular Discord platform too, if you haven't gotten access. So check this out is all I can say.